बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
जलीस, तुम किसके बेटे हो?
नदीम पराचा का।
पराचे हो, माशाल्लाह। अच्छा
जी।
अच्छा, क्या कहते हो?
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। Assalamu alaikum, beloved Hazur.
वालेकुम सलाम।
My name is Jalis Ahmed Paracha. Hazur, my question is that the promised Messiah alayhi salam's books are very difficult to understand. What is your advice at what age I should start reading these books?
How old are you?
I'm 12, Hazur.
12.
Ji.
Although Prophet Islam's books are very difficult, but there are some books which are very easy to understand, and you cannot read Urdu. First thing is. Secondly, there are some books which have been translated into English. Yes? And even Malfuzat, Volume 1 and Volume 2 has also been translated. So you can read those. You think you are young, but in olden days, a boy of your age would marry. You will not dare to marry now. Right? And they used to understand the books even. See, there were quite a number of young boys who would come to sit in the company of Prophet Muhammad and listen to him, what he would say, and then they practice it. So you find out which is the easiest book which has been translated. You see, for instance, Ark of Noah and some Malfuzat, they have been translated, so you can read those books. And I think you are now in grade 8.
No, grade 6.
Grade 6? You are 12 and grade 6, acha? So, a boy of your age should understand some of the books. So anyway, Ark of Noah, you should read. And Malfuzat, you should read. And try to read some of the passages or excerpts which have been translated into English in the form of Essence of Islam. So you should read those books. You can easily understand, right? You cannot read all the books, but at least some of the passages of the books you can read and understand. And for that, you pick different volumes of Essence of Islam and the 2 volumes of Malfuzat. Right?
जी हजूर।
चलो
जी।
बैठ जाओ।
जज़ाकल्लाह हजूर।